Today's question is to display the patterns, and the patterns are very clearly given over here. There are two patterns, pattern 1 and pattern 2, and if you see the patterns, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, and in the second pattern also there are 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So as why I am counting the number of lines, that is because when you write the program, when you use patterns, the multiple loop has to be used. For loop, multiple loop, which is also called as nested loop, is to be used. And why did I count the number of lines? That is because in the nested loop, in the multiple loop, one outer loop and one inner loop. An outer loop will have to run till 5 for 5 number of lines in the pattern, and the inner loop is going to be used for the logic to display the pattern. So common lines to be used in your ICC exam, and there are some declaring variables over here to be used in the program. And as you know, it is a menu driven program, so we are going to display a menu, and menu is being displayed over here, and very clearly A dot pattern 1, B dot pattern 2. That means we are going to enter the choice as A and B, letters A and B. So it is asking you to enter the choice chs2.sc.nextInt, character at 0. Now let us say for ch we are given the letter A, lowercase a. So it is checking for the equality. If ch is equal to lowercase a, true, as it is true, it will get into this pattern program, and the outer loop, as I told you, will go for 5 times because there are 5 number of lines in the pattern, each pattern. So first time I is equal to 1, you can write in the rough column I is 1, 1 is less than 5, true, as it is true, it goes to the loop, it will enter the loop or the outer loop, and in the outer loop, and once it gets into the outer loop, it will find one more loop, that is the inner loop, which starts with j as 1. So j is less than equal to I is 1, j is also 1, so 1 is less than equal to 1, true, as it is true, it enters the body of the inner loop. So j, which is 1 now, 1 will be divided by 2 for modulus, for remainder. So 1 divided by 2. So 1 divided by 2, it will go 0 times. 2 into 0, 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. So D will have the value 1 in the rough column. You can check in the rough column, and this D will be checked now. If D is equal to 1. So D is equal to 1, that is true. So P will be assigned with the asterisk symbol and the star symbol, and it will come down over here and it will print the asterisk symbol P, which is having in P, which is having the asterisk symbol as per the pattern, and the loop will go back to j++, updating. J will become 2, so 2 is less than equal to 1, false. It will come out of the inner loop, and it will go to this line, system.out.println will take you to the next line, to the new line, and one is go to the new line for the pattern, and it will go to the outer loop now. So outer loop, updating, I will become 2, 2 is less than 5, true, so it goes to the inner loop, and inner loop j starts with 1, 1 is less than 2, 1 is less than I in the 2. You can check in the rough column every time so that you don't forget the logic, and D, you will be getting some value by dividing j by 2. So j is 1 in the beginning, divided by 2, again 2 will go for 0 times, 2 into 0, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, so D will get 1. So if D is equal to 1, true, P will be star symbol as the asterisk. It will come down over here, it will print the asterisk symbol P along with the space, and the loop will go back, and j++, updating 2. So 2 is less than equal to 2, again true, 2 or j divided by 2, the remainder will be 0. So d will be 0 if d is equal to 1. 0 is equal to 1, false. So it will go to else, and it will go to else, and this time p will be assigned with the hash symbol, and it is going to print the hash symbol along with the gap. So in the second line, star symbol and the hash symbol. Similarly, this loop is going to move for 5 times. Outer loop is 5, as I told you, for all the 5 lines, and it will be displayed. The pattern will be displayed. Now, once this is done, we can run the program again and check for the next pattern, that is, which is given in the choice B. So if you give the choice as B, CH as B, so it will check over here if B is equal to A, false. As it is false, it will go to else if. Else if B is equal to B, true. As it is true, it will go to the outer loop again, and outer loop is again moving for 5 times. As I told you, there are 5 lines in the pattern, so outer loop will work for number of lines, and the inner loop will work for the logic. So as I is 1, 1 is less than 5, true, it will enter the body of the outer loop, and it will go to the inner loop, and in the inner loop j starts from 5, and 5 is greater than I, and I is 1, so 5 is greater than 1. 5 is greater than 1, true. As it is true, it will go to the next line, I will print the value of j, that is 5, because j is 5 in the beginning, so it will print the value 5 along with the space. So 5 is printed, it will go back to the update, j minus minus, so 5 minus 1, 4, j is 4, 4 is greater than 1, true, so it will print 4 along with the space. Again it will go to update, j minus minus, 3, 3 is greater than 1, true, it will print the value 3 along with the space. So 3, 2, 1 in the first line, 5, 3, 2, 1, and once that is completed, it will go to the next line, system.out.println will take you to the new line, and this is the closing of the outer loop. I plus plus, updated, I becomes 2, so 2 is less than 5, true. As it is true, again it will enter the body of the outer loop and go to the inner loop, and this time j is 5 again, and j is going to work till 2, so 2, so that means it is going to print 5, 4, 3, 2 in the second line. And similarly, the pattern will get over. You can check the pattern in the rough column, and don't forget to calculate. Don't forget I and j. See that the value of I and j are writing properly, so that you are not confused with the printing of the pattern as given in the question. And if you give a wrong choice other than A and B, so A and B will not be matched, so it will take you to the last end of the program telling you have entered a wrong choice. So I'll show you the output. Before that, we'll give a click on compile. This is the compile, and I'll give a click on compile and see class is compiled already, and it says no syntax error. There is no error in the program. I'll show you the output now. See the menu, A pattern 1, B pattern 2, enter the choice. Now the choice is A. We give the choice as A, lowercase a. See, pattern is displayed. Similarly, we'll check for the next pattern. Enter your choice, pattern A, pattern B, pattern 1, pattern 2, B. See, pattern is displayed, that is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, as per the pattern given in the question.